What is up, guys? Your girl Danny B here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you guys today with a video on how I cleared my bikini line. Now, I made a video like this about 4 years ago, and I've learned so much since then. I've been telling my coworkers, family, friends to try these certain methods that I'm doing, and it honestly works for them. So that's why I'm coming on here to share it with you guys, because I know that our bikini lines having like ingrown hairs, dark marks, I know it's something that we really just can get really insecure about. So I'm going to share with you guys my routine that I've been doing and that I've been telling others to do and what really works. And this is just something that you're going to have to stay consistent on and not just say I'm going to do it today and then I'm going to do it, try it again next week. No, you need to do it every single day in order to get fast results. That's just how it's going to be. The first thing I'm going to say about exfoliating, which is the first step, is do not use shea sugar scrub. I believe in things that smell really good are not that effective. I don't know. I just have this type of theory in my head. Like, I just feel like it's so focused on scents that it's not giving what it's supposed to give. Now, I don't use this product simply because I feel like it doesn't give me a good close shave when it comes to my legs, one. And two, it causes too many areas in my bikini line, as in like yeast infections, UTIs, whatever the case might be. And I know there's a lot of studies right now that, women are getting them and they don't know why. And I'm telling you, if you're using this shea sugar scrub, that is why. It's very highly scented. It has a lot of sugar in it. And it's just something that I just don't think should be down there. So if you do have this and you are trying to look for an exfoliant, do not use this. If it's working for you, that's fine. But what I use, I feel like is way more effective for the type of results I'm looking for. Now, so the first thing that I use is KP Duty. Now, this is getting kind of hard to find right now because they took it out of Sephora, which I don't know why, because it works so well, guys. So I'm going to link to wherever I find it. It's not totally out anywhere. I think it's like on dermatology.com, whatever. I'm going to share it with you guys and link it below. Now, this is about $39 to $40 or maybe $50, at the most $50, but I know that it works. So I guarantee you that you're getting the best bang for your buck. Now, don't mind the ghetto-ness going on here. I ordered mine. It should come in by tomorrow. But that just shows you that, this product really works. If it doesn't work for me, it's either in the trash or I'm giving it away to someone. So this really works. And it is very strong. I am going to tell you that. But it's something that you have to just deal with because these chemicals, honey, whatever's in here, literally makes you have the smoothest skin. Like, I use it for my legs, my bottoms, my buttocks, the back of my thighs, my bikini line. It's just a miracle worker, and I love it to death. Now, the thing I'm going to tell you is, when you do this, you do it before you get into the shower. I know you see like on TikTok and Instagram, the girls are doing it before they get into the shower or while they're in the shower with all that water running. I feel like it's way less effective that way. So when I found myself doing it before I got into the shower, while my skin was dry, I feel like it was kind of like smoothing it away while it was dry versus it being wet and then the sugar melting already. If that makes sense. I don't really know how else to put it. But definitely try it this way, and I promise you will see a much better result. So like I said, I do this before I get into the shower. I rub all around my area, my bikini line, nothing below the lips. This is just for topical use only, honey. Nothing below there. That's how you cause little infections. So keep it above the lips and just do a circular motion all over your scars, ingrown hairs, whatever you got going on. Now, after you finish, you go into the shower, you rinse it off, and then do whatever regimen you have, Vagisil, whatever, Dove, whatever you want to do down there, and then leave it alone. Now, the next step is when you get out of the shower is when you use this miracle worker right here, honey. Woo! This right here is worth every buck. This is about $39.99 or $30. I got it off of Amazon. I used to get it off of dermatology.com, but Amazon started to have them, and I said, wow, I can get it by tomorrow. So this is what I got. This is still kind of high still. So together these products are about $70, $60, But this lasts me for about 3 months, and this lasts me for about 4 to 5. It lasts you for a very long time. But it also depends on if you're using it for more than just your bikini line. Because you can use it for like your underarms, you can use it for the back of your legs, your butt, whatever the case might be. It works all around. Now, so after you get out of the shower, you rinse off the exfoliant, you open this puppy up, shake it up a little bit, and put it all over your bikini line. Remember, nothing under the lips, and bam, honey, this is a miracle worker. You're gonna wake up and have no ingrown hairs, or at least in 2 to 3 days, you're gonna wake up and say, wow, it's gone. This is amazing, but you cannot just do this on its own. You need to scrub that thing first. Scrub it first so that you're kind of, you know, getting it ready for this. This is the starter and this is the home run. You got to be able to, you know, use them as a team. Now, after you rub this all over, boom, 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 you let it air dry, boom, you're done. Now, these both do have a strong smell. I'm going to tell you that right now, but you will get used to it. And if your partner says something about it, screw them, because at the end of the day, Ronnie, we're trying to have good looking bikini lines. I don't know about you, but honey, I'm doing this for me. So, you know, you're gonna have to just tell your partner, you know, tell them ahead of time, baby, this is what I'm doing. This is what I'm trying to do. You know, it's gonna smell a little bit, but at the end of the day, if they love you and they understand that this is something that you want, it shouldn't be that big of a problem. Now, the last step I'm going to tell you is very, very important. You have to follow all these steps to even see any type of results. I promise you, you cannot skip one out. So don't try to skip one out and be like, I'm not seeing anything. You're not seeing any results because you're not following all my steps. Now, the last step is waxing, 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 waxing. If you could afford laser, do laser, but not everyone has the budget for that. So do waxing. Now, the only thing that's very, very, very annoying about waxing is that you're going to have to wait 4 weeks to get a wax. But waxing is an exfoliant as well. You're literally ripping off your skin and, you know, opening that pore up, getting closer and closer to that scar, which is good because every time you're going once a month, it's ripping off that layer of skin. So not only are you doing this every day, and getting closer to that scar, getting closer to that tissue that's marked up, you're also waxing to get it ripped off, you know, to also get closer. So it's like they're helping each other out hand in hand. Now, the thing with waxing though is soon as after you get your wax, which is that's when this works the best because your pores are wide open. Like they're like, wow, what's going on? Why is there so much air? Why is it so bright? That's what your bikini line is saying. And you need to literally put this on immediately. And it is going to sting just a little bit. But boy, when you wake up, you're going to be like, yes, yes. This is amazing. This stuff works. I'm not boosting it, y'all. Like you've seen my video, or if you want to see my video 4 years ago, look at the comments. Everybody says it works. This is my updated version. It's literally kind of the same thing, but I found products that work faster. So like I said, wax, 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 throw away the razors because they're doing nothing but setting you more and more behind. Shaving is just bad. I'm sorry. Especially if you're somebody that hair that grows fast. I understand your pain, but that was me. My hair used to I used to shave, wake up, it'd be stubbly. I'm like, God damn, like it hasn't even been 24 hours. But it's something that you're literally just going to have to just say like, you know what? The more and more I wax, the less it's going to come. I used to be super hairy. Now, within like 2 months after my first wax, literally I have like stubble, like literally like 6 to 7 hairs. I literally have to wait almost 7 to 8 weeks to get another wax because that's how long it takes for my hair to grow back and it comes back soft. So, you know, waxing has all of its benefits. Not only is it, you know, exfoliating your skin and helping you get rid of those scars, but it's also in the long run helping your hair grow less to the point where you're probably not even gonna need a wax like until like every 2 months. So, you know, being a woman is very expensive, but I feel like if you're very insecure about this, or just this is something that you just know that you will feel more confident if it's fixed, then just do it. Spend the coins, honey. Pick up those extra shifts. Do what you have to do. What Amazon Flex it. If you guys don't know what Amazon Flex is, I will inform you on that, Gunny, because that's some good money. But But guys, please follow this routine. Throw away the razors, stick to waxing. Make sure you find a great waxer. Look at the reviews, ask friends, literally make sure that they know what they're doing, because there is a such thing as somebody waxing you wrong. I've heard it all the time. There is a such thing as somebody literally waxing you wrong. And the hairs will grow back weird, or you'll get even more ingrown hairs. Make sure you get someone that has years of experience and they know what they're doing, and it's worth every penny. I got a little serious there for a second. I'm just so passionate about helping women just feel so good about themselves, because I've been there, and there's so many other things on my body that I just was like, what can I do to fix it? And I have so many videos coming y'all way. Y'all have no understanding. So just hit that subscribe button. Just keep looking out for my videos, because I'm here to help each and every one of you, y'all. But like I said, these are going to be in the description box. If you guys have any questions, if you start seeing some results, please hit me up, comment it below, email me, DM me, do whatever. I'm here for y'all. So yeah, but thank you guys so much for watching. This is Danny V, and I will see you guys in my next video.